everyone, welcome to this new appointment of The Master is Here. We are in Düsseldorf at Interpack 2026, where Domina meets the industry. I'm Guia Bertuzzi, Product Manager of Process Equipment at IMA Active, and this appointment of The Master is Here is dedicated to continuous direct compression. Continuous direct compression is the modern way to produce tablets. It consists of continuous dosing, blending and compression, all in a regular product flow without any interruption. Also without sampling. Domina is our prime tablet press, and its unique features, Dynamicam and Preforma, are very suitable for direct compression since they both manage difficult to tablet products. Dynamicam is a patented feature for Domina to manage the adjustment of the field cam straight from the HMI without the need to change the field cam every time. While Preforma is another feature that helps compression of hard-to-tablet products since it participates to deaeration just before pre-compression and compression. Further to these unique characteristics of Domina, for continuous direct compression, Domina can have integrated an NIR probe as a PAT tool to manage the process and control the content uniformity of the blend just before it becomes a tablet. With this feature, continuous direct compression becomes the most efficient process to modernize your pharmaceutical production. Thank you for joining us. The Master continues.